it's me, and welcome back to my channel. By the way guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification below so you'll be updated when we have new videos. And today I just want to show you this product that my husband bought for me from Costco. And this one is the Thermal Ultimate Crew Sack. So this one has a 3 pair and the shoe size is 5 to 9.5. So my shoe size is 9, and this one is the material is kind of like thick material. It's cold now here in USA. It's winter now, so we need this kind of socks. This one is thick. Oh, I like it. And the design, I like it. Design and the color, the gray. So this one have only one color, only gray color. This one's kind of like more blue. This one's gray. So blue and gray. I like the color. So they only have 2 colors. And design like this design. I like it. It's thick and it's good for cold season. Oh, I can wear this because we plan to go to where we went before the snow and are really gonna wear this. It's gonna keep you warm, your feet warm. And next is I have this. He bought this too, this women's long sleeve scoop neck. This one is medium size. So this one they only have one color. This one is the long sleeve scoop neck, and this one is it's like leggings base layer pant. This one's 2 pair. Okay, this one's 2 pair and same size. So this one same size and 2 pair. So it's medium size. My size is medium. And this have heat retention, soft hand feel, quick dry, stretch comfort, anti-odor. This one have 2 pair and I just wear already try the other pair, and it's soft and it's very good. The material is very good, but it's kind of like thin material because you can just wear this when you sleep, or you can use some thick pants outside and you can use this inside. You can wear. I like it, so comfortable to wear. This let me show you guys this one. I like about this brand, guys, because they have this. They put this hole over here on this package for the customer to feel the quality and material of the product. So this one's a good idea too. Let me show you guys these pants. I think I opened this already. Okay, because I already used the other pair. Okay, so this is the pants. As I told you guys, it's thin. So they call this 32-degree heat. So this gave you warm when you wear it. So soft, and I love it. And this one, the long sleeve, let me open it and show you. And okay, so this is the long sleeve. As you can see, this 2 pair, size medium. So soft, guys. Oh, I like to wear this, but I have to wash it first. Oh, very, very nice material. Good. It's more cheaper, Costco. Same color, the pants and the long sleeve, same color, black. Okay, so next I have one more stuff here. This one is the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. So my husband bought this for me so I can store my files my YouTube files here because I always borrowed his SSD. So this one's 1 gigabyte, and this up to 1050 and 1000 MBs, right? So this one you can store or edit and curate large photos and videos. So that's what I like this to use. And by the way, you can, this one you can, they have Rescue Pro. Rescue Pro mean if example your computer stop and it's not working no more, you can rescue all your files there. You just have to use this SSD. Just insert this on your computer and all your files is gonna be sent to this SSD. So this is what it look like. My daughter liked this because she says it's look like a phone, small phone. It's the SanDisk. So this from Costco too, and I think this one is in peso 5,000 pesos. In dollars $100, I think this one. So they have this small like this, and this one. To use this, I'll show you how to use this one. The small one you can put over here, you can insert here like this, and then like that, and then plug on your computer and put all your files in here. So I always use this for my, when I edit my YouTube videos. So this is very helpful for me. So that's all, guys. By the way, guys, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And I just want to say thank you so much to all the team members, admins, especially the admins, our super chatters. Thank you guys, our super chatters, team members. Thank you so much, guys, for always there to support us and me as a small YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.